Hi guys, welcome back one again to one of my videos. This is venussloves, and today we are going to do the video tutorial for my first ever sewing pattern. You didn't notice I dyed my hair purple. I did it today. I just wanted to look cute. I hope you guys like it. I am really excited because this is the first pattern that I'm gonna publish, and I really hope you guys like it. And it was made with so much love, and I put so much effort and attention to it, so I really hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, don't feel afraid to reach out to me. You can type it down in the comments, and you can reach out just to me on my Instagram. I will be happy to respond to any questions that you have. I'm gonna try to make this really more simple as much as I can for you guys. Okay, so let's start. So after cutting the pattern, you're gonna have 4 pieces for the short, 2 for the front piece, 1 for the waistband, and 2 for the straps. We are gonna start grabbing 2 pieces of the short. After that, we are going to put it on top of the other one, facing 2 rights together. After that, we are going to pin the core part or the shorts. And now we are going to sew that part. After finishing, it's gonna look like this. And now we are going to repeat the same process for the other 2 pieces of the shirt. We're gonna put 1 piece on top of the other one, facing 2 rights together, and pin the core part and then sew. Okay. And now we have the 2 pieces of the shirts. Now we're gonna open it, facing the 2 right sides together. We are going to sew the triangular area of the short. We're going to pin them first, and after that we are going to sew them. Okay. Perfect. Now it's gonna look just like this. We have the triangular part closed. Now we're gonna grab our shirts and move it out of the way, and we're gonna grab our 2 strap pieces. I'm gonna demonstrate how you're supposed to iron them, and then you can sew. Going to grab our strap, and then we're gonna iron the 2 ends inside of the fabric. After that, we're gonna grab the long area and we're gonna put it inside of it. No folding it in half. We're gonna grab one of the sides and fold it inside, and then iron it. After that, we are going to repeat the same process on the other side of the strap. We are going to grab one of the sides, the longest sides, and put it inside the fabric. And after that, we are going to fold it in half, and we will sew a straight line. Now you have your 2 straps. Now we're gonna start doing the front piece. We're gonna move them to the side. We're gonna grab our 2 pieces for the front piece. We are going to face the 2 right sides together of the fabric. We're gonna add one of the straps, and we are going to leave 1 inch on the longest part of the front piece. We're gonna face it in between, doing like a sandwich, and then we are going to paint the 3 parts of it, leaving the shortest part alone. Okay. And now we sew, and this is how it looks. By sewing the 3 parts and leaving the shortest part alone, we're gonna cut the excess, so in that way when we fold it out inside out, it's looking better and it feels more comfortable. And I recommend to iron this part right away after you finish sewing, so it's gonna have a better look and it's ready for you to sew when we put everything together. And now we are going to grab all our pieces, and that way we can assemble it all together. We're gonna start putting the short piece. we're gonna open it. Okay, as you can see, this is the right side of the fabric, and in the middle we're gonna put the front piece. We're gonna do like a sandwich. We're gonna put the shortest part of the front piece, leaving 1 inch between the shorts, and we're gonna put it in between them. I'm gonna show you right now. We're gonna make like a sandwich right now in that area, and then we're gonna paint it, and then we are going to sew that part. Okay, look how it looks inside the shorts. And this is how it's looking. We're gonna open it to show you how it looks, and I recommend to iron it after you do this. This part is really important to iron to get a better result, especially in this part right here. Okay, and now we're gonna grab our waistband, and we are going to fold it in half, and we're gonna iron it. Now we're gonna grab our short that we put the front piece on, and we're going to attach the waistband on the right side, facing right sides together with the shirt and the waistband. Okay, we are going to paint them all over it, and then we are going to sew along. Okay, and this is how it looks. We are going now to grab our elastic, and we're gonna put it in our waist. We're gonna measure it like that. Perfect, and we're gonna leave a little bit extra, and that way we can sew the elastic on. We are going to insert the elastic into the waistband. We're gonna use a hook. We're gonna put it inside the waistband. After that, we are going to put the elastic, and after stretching the elastic, we are going to pin the end of it, and that way it doesn't get loose. And after that, we are going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now let's do like a simple stitch to secure the elastic so it doesn't get loose. And now we are going to close the shorts. We are going to open it, and then we are going to put the strap, leaving 1/2 an inch between the waistband and the shorts. Okay, 1/2 an inch, and then we are gonna do the sandwich to attach the strap, and we're gonna pin it, and then we are going to sew along. Okay, thank you. Perfect. Now we have done the skirt. Now we're gonna close doing a hem on the bottom. We're gonna fold it twice, and then we're gonna do a simple stitch. I want to say that you are doing amazing, and I'm proud of you, and we're almost done with the skirt. And we have finished. Wow, you did amazing. It was really impressive. I'm gonna show you, this is a soft linen, the one that I decided to do. I also made one with cotton. The reason I decided to do it in cotton because it's one of the most affordable fabrics in the market. Okay, and I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to get the link down below for the pattern, and just if you have any questions, as I said before, don't forget to that. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends if you like the video. Okay, bye bye.